Hello, Bacha Party. How are you all? I hope all of you are well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with part 1 of chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. Okay, so let's start the chapter. So in the starting of the chapter, they are telling us that we have seen varieties or different kind of plants around us, whether near to our home or in our school also we have different types of plants available. Okay, some of these plants are small, some of them are very big, and some of them are just grass. Okay, as you can see on the soil. Then some of the plants or trees have green leaves, other have red ones. Okay, then some of them have red flowers also, and some of have tiny blue flowers. Okay, and unfortunately some have no flowers at all. Okay, so there's different types of plants or trees are available around us. So as we already studied in previous chapters that these plants have different parts. As you can see in the figure number 7.2, a parts of plant figure is given, but here they have not labeled the different part. So the first task for you is that you have to label stem, branch, root, leaf, flower and fruit in this 7.2 with your pencil. Okay, in your textbook you have to label 7.2 with your pencil. This is your first task. Okay, now starting with the first topic of this chapter is herbs, shrubs and trees. These are nothing but classification or categories of the plants. So without wasting our time, we will see what are this. Okay, so based on stem, thickness of stem and where the branch grow in the plant, based on this characteristic, plants are classified into three categories, that is nothing but herbs, shrubs and trees. Now we will see in figure number 7.3 they have given different example of herb, shrub and tree. Okay, now moving forward, what is herb? So there are some plant which has green and tender stems. Okay, there are some plant available which has green and tender stems, are nothing but herbs. Okay, tender means thin. Okay, bacha party, they are usually short and may not have many branches. As you can see in 7.3a, the branch are few, the plant is short, the stem of the plant is thin and green. So this is nothing but herb. So now what is shrub? Let's see. There are some plants who develop the branches near the base of the stem. At the base of the stem, they develop or they create some branches. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such a plants are known as shrubs. Let's again see 7.3 and B. As you can see in the B figure, there are branches near the stems, base of the stems. The stem is also not very thick. Okay, so this is nothing but shrub. Is it clear, bacha party? What is herbs and what is shrubs? In herbs, the stem is green and thin. Okay, and in shrubs, the stem is not very thick, but there are branches near the base of the stem that are nothing but shrubs. And finally, we have trees. What are trees? Some plants are very tall. Okay, there are some plants which are very tall and have hard and thick stem. The stem have branches in upper part much above the ground. Such a plants are nothing but trees. As you can see in the figure number 7.3c, the stem of the plant is very thick and the branches are also at the upper part of the stem. So Now it is clear what is herb, what is shrub and what is tree. Is it clear, Bachcha Party? Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright but spread on the ground are called as creeper. Okay, in the Hindi or in Gujarati we called it veil. Okay, Bachcha Bhati. While those that take support and climb up are called climbers. Okay, there are two types of plant again, the creepers who spread on the ground. Okay, and there are some other plants which climb up are known as climber. These are the different forms of herbs, shrubs and trees. Okay, in the next video we will study about, or we will start with the parts of the plant, and the first part of the plant is nothing but stem. Okay, bachcha party.